want to jump back onto this ongoing debate about referees throwing abusive fans out of local football games. I want to show the folly of this overreaction by comparing what is happening in football now to what obtained 15, 20, or 30 years ago. Now, just to say that Jamaican football has come a long way. What is happening now is a joke compared to what used to happen back then, when rivalry and abuse and general football badness was at a level where big games like Arnett Gardens versus Tivoli Gardens and Firehouse versus Tivoli Gardens had to be played on neutral grounds, including up at Up Park Camp, all because of the potential for extreme abuse and actual violence from spectators. Don't make nobody fool you. The verbal abuse and the heckling were much more aggressive and literally in your face. Teams never had these fancy midi stadia that insulated players and officials from the fans. Them time it was a rope and an arm's length away. And the teasing and the taunting and the verbal attacks were more aggressive and widespread. It's just that they were overshadowed by the threats of actual violence. And there is nothing to indicate that local football is heading back to those dark days. What we're panicking and overreacting about are a handful of exuberant fans who make a bugger noise and talk up some things from the stands. And seriously, how serious is that? All right.